supported by the UN Women Team. Community Women Rights Foundation, in partnership with Good Women Association, hosts the 2024 International Women Day in the Adeboruwa Palace, Igbogbo.
At the UN Women Team, they came all the way from Abuja.
My name is Angela Muruli from Kenya, and I'm pleased to be here with you today. On behalf of the UN Women representative, Madam Beatrice Eyong, we're pleased to be here with you on International Women's Day. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. We're very glad to be here. Thank you. That's what I learned here. No woman, no Niger. So, Your Royal Majesty, UN Women is grateful for your partnership. We're here because we know that you are a he for she, and we came here to see the great work we're doing so that we can continue the partnership with you. We're very, very honored. Thank you so much.
Our Community Men's Rights Foundation is an NGO founded in 2012. We promote and protect the rights of women, girls, and persons with disabilities. What do we do majorly? We are into mediation. We mediate between husband and wife. We resolve conflicts. We manage conflicts. We rescue children. We do a lot of things. We do police station visitation. We visit the prison. We do a whole lot in order to reform the society and in order to fight for the rights of children, persons with disabilities, even men.
Let's have the representative of the Good Women Team. Good Women.
Gender-based violence. Health. Tẹ́bàrí a ní stand àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì wa tó ń ṣe àwọn àyẹ̀wò. A tún ṣe drug prevention.
All traditional rulers in Lagos State, they are all he for she ambassadors. I said this because majorly part of what we do in our palaces basically conflict resolution. 60 or 70% of those issues are linked to women, and we gladly take it up and find a solution to it.
Also in attendance are members of the Child Protection Network, Ikorodu chapter.
We are members of Child Protection Network, Ikorodu chapter, and organization that is putting this together, Good Women Association and Community Women's Foundation. They are members of Child Protection Network in Ikorodu. Wow! And
attendees all advocate for investing in women to accelerate progress.
We see everybody clamoring for we know we are not there yet, but we are seeing ways in which they can actually practice that and even make it get up to 50%. That is where we have quality in the gender now. God on our side,
I just appeal to all our men that they don't even understand why women need to have value. To listen to all the messages that women are powerful, they are for peace. We should encourage them to go with peace. So I want all our men to know that women also have value like they have value. And we still need to encourage them to be in a political position. When we support them, they will do more. So thank you.
We are celebrating women today. And the reason why we brought them to the palace is very simple. Why? Because we want them to have access to our royal father here. You know this is a community. So if anything happens in the community, the closest person to them is our royal father. Community Women's Rights Foundation is doing a lot. Why? Because we deal with women on a daily basis. And as much as we solve their problem, we also impact in them. Once they step into our office, we make sure they don't live the way they came. They are always empowered. When they come to us, like I said, I was talking about the wheel of life, how to use the wheel of life to know your area of weakness, for you to identify where you need to work on. So anytime they come around, I use the wheel of life to expose their challenge and how they can solve it. The wheel of life, it has to do with the areas of the person's life, which are finance, career, fun and recreation, romance, business. I think there are 8 items there. And all those 8 items comprise of a person's life.
Today is International Women's Day, where we celebrate women, women of values, women of substance, women who are important to our society and the nation at large. We are here to partner with other organizations to make this drive